for your Proofs of Composites packet. I highly recommend using patty paper or a mirror to do these problems. I'm going to show you an example with patty paper. I just feel like it's easier to see what is happening. Obviously you don't, not obviously, but you do not need to have anything there to do this. I just find it easier to visualize. Okay, so we're going to prove that the composite of reflecting over two parallel lines produces a translation that is double the distance between the two lines, and in the direction of the mapping of the first line to the second line. In case 1, if the point is between the two parallel lines. So we're going to try different cases. In this case, it is between. Okay, so we're given line 1 and line 2, and we are going to reflect over first line 1 and then line 2. So I am going to actually do this with a patty paper, and then I'm going to show you the steps out through here. So first thing I'm going to do is I am going to draw in line 1. Okay, and I'm going to trace my triangle with the A on top. I want to reflect over line 1, but I want to do it in a general way. So that means I am not going to literally measure the distance between A and line 1. I'm just going to call this X. Everybody with me so far? Okay. Now I am going to reflect it over line 1. What's nice about the patty paper is I can literally show it. So we're going to move it to that side, right? We have from here is X, and then I'm going to reflect it over line 1. So I'm literally drawing X right here, and that's A distance. So far, so good? Okay. Now I have to take my new A, my A prime, and reflect it all the way over line 2. So here, way over here, this is line 2, right? So I have to take this whole thing over it. So I'm going to make this distance right here Y. I'm taking this whole thing all the way from A prime, way over here. We have X, X, and Y. I'm literally moving it all the way over to here. Okay? So it's way over here. A double prime is Y, X, X away. All right? So this kind of takes you through the walking of it. It tells you how you're going to make it here. You're making a line that is perpendicular to the other two lines, so you can show that you're drawing. You reflected it first over line 1. See, there's our A prime. Then we need to reflect it over 2, so we're going to mark this as Y, and then we're going to move it to the other side. Now, we can see right here, right, that our distance between line 1 and 2 is X plus Y. Correct? And now our distance between A and A double prime is what? 2x plus, how many y's? 2 y's. 1 and 2. So see how the distance between the two lines is now double to get the new translation? Okay, so you're going to do it for 4 cases. We're going to have it where my triangle is to the left of line 1. Then you're going to do it where it's to the right of line 2. And then you're going to do one where it's on line 1 and one where it's on line 2. So if you want to literally write this in, because some people get confused. This is line 1. This is line 2. I'm saying if A was right here, my triangle is like this. That's case 4. And then case 5, I would get a ruler and draw this out so it's neater. So this is case 4 up here, and this is case 5. Okay. Any questions? Okay, so you're going to do those 4 other cases, and then you've got the worksheet to do. When we do it over intersecting lines, it's a little more complicated. This is pretty straightforward. Just remember, you're going to have to perform this on a quiz. You can use mirrors, just like I use the patty paper, except you like put it on line 1, draw it in, put it on line 2. You can use neither. Just make sure you're careful about reflecting.